I want to show you my Hansen 50/50. This is a Hansen 50/50 pintail from, I would say, 1968. I might be wrong there. I'm not quite the historian that people like Randy Rarick are, but I would say 68, maybe 67. The reason I say that year is because of these high density stringers that are on either side of the 1/4 inch mahogany stringer. That kind of helps date it. It had originally a removable fin, which was kind of innovative for the time, and the fin went into the fin box on the bottom of the board, and then there was a big screw that went down into here that held the fin in the fin box. When I bought the board 40 years ago, it didn't have a fin. It had the original fin box, but it didn't have the fin. So here's your 50/50 rails. So you can see how the bottom rolls up and how the deck rolls down, and the rail edge meets here in the middle. So that's why it's called 50/50, because the bottom comes this way and the top comes that way, and they meet in the middle. But this is the reason I bought the board. You weren't ready for that, were you? No. Can you spell psychedelic? That, my friends, is psychedelic. So I don't know who was doing color for Hansen in 67, 68, but whoever it was, I applaud you. I applaud you. That is the reason why I bought the board. After I bought the board, then I installed a Fins Unlimited long box so that I could use current fins now, because when I bought the board, don't forget, that was 40 years ago. There was no internet. So the chances of me finding a fin to go in the original fin box without the aid of the internet were slim to none, and I was told Slim had just left town. So I put the Fins Unlimited box in it, and now I have, of course, my choice of fins, and I'm a big fan of changing fins. I own probably, I don't know, 17 or 18 surfboards, and I probably own double that amount of fins because I like to change them out. So there you go, 1968, let's say, Hansen 50/50 pintail with a psychedelic bottom. Very, very thrilled to have this in my quiver. I loved it the day I saw it. I've ridden it many, many times, and I love how it rides, and I love the fact that I own it. I think that's pretty cool, don't you?